Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get this look, which basically is called the boy beat, which was inspired by Gina Shkeda. But basically this look emphasizes on dark circles, pores, imperfections, and texture. So first I'm going to prep my lips with this Kapari lip gloss, which I absolutely love. Then going in with this L'Oreal shimmer base, I'm going to be applying that all over my face just to kind of correct the color on my skin to match my fake tan a little bit more and give a little bit of a dewy glow under base. I'm also going to be applying that to my eyes as well, just to make it all sort of symmetrical and even. Then I'm going to be mixing two foundations today. First I'm taking my favorite Kate Powderless liquid foundation in the color D, and then mixing that with my Fenty Beauty foundation 290 to get the perfect color match for my tan skin. And with a very damp beauty blender, I'm just going to blend that out, and only using a very small amount because we want the imperfections on our face to really show through. We don't necessarily want to hide them or cover them up. Then I'm going to be adding a little more of that shimmer base to the top layer just to kind of re-emphasize the texture on my skin and give a little bit of glow. Then taking this BYS HD setting spray, I'm taking that on a brow brush and flicking freckles onto my skin using the dark contouring shade from the Sleek Makeup Face Contour and Blush palette. This is a really great trick for getting fake freckles. Then going in and taking this taupe eyeshadow on a medium-sized pencil brush, I'm just going to emphasize my dark eye bags. This is not only a great way to emphasize the bags under your eyes, but it also is a beauty trick that was really popular in Korea. It's called aegyeosal. So I actually knew of it before I saw her video. Then I'm taking just a nice natural shimmer eyeshadow and applying that all over the lid, and then going in and taking a dark chocolate brown color and applying that directly onto my upper lash line, keeping it really tight to the lashes just to deepen the lash line and also extend the line of my eye just a little bit. Then taking the highlighting shade from that Sleek Contour palette, I'm just going to be applying that to the inner corner of my eye, the nose areas like the upper bridge and the tip. And then going in and curling my lashes, I'm going to be applying a really thin, gentle layer of this new Maybelline mascara, which I absolutely am in love with, and just applying that to the top and bottom lashes. Then since I want it to look really natural, I'm just taking the brush side of that brow brush and combing out my lashes. Then going in with this Maybelline eyebrow pencil, which is new once again, I'm just going to fill in my brows and make them look really bushy. Basically, you want your eyebrows to look hella wild for this look and really rough textured, so I'm making it really bushy looking and then lightly combing it out. Then going in with this L'Oreal Brow Dual Pencil, I'm using the highlighting side to just kind of carve out the underside of my brows really roughly. Then going in with this Garbo and Kelly Brow Mascara in clear, I'm making my eyebrows look even more bushy by just going against the hairs and pulling them upwards with that brow gel to really make them look fluffy and wiry. Then going in with contouring shade from that Sleek palette, once again, I'm just gently going to contour my face under the cheekbones and the jawline, and then pull it down onto my neck just to make it all blend. Then applying a very small amount to the forehead just so everything matches, and then going in and taking a really light amount and using it to lightly contour the nose. You don't want to contour too much because we really want to make ourselves look natural, if you know what I mean. So I'm just kind of bronzing up that area. Then taking the blush from that palette, I'm going to be applying it to the areas where my face would naturally get flushed or red. So the inner lower portion of my cheeks for me, and then dragging it up along the cheekbone a little bit as well. This is a great way to get that natural flushed look without looking like you have makeup on. Then taking whatever is left over on the brush, I'm applying it right to the center bridge of my nose to once again make it look like I am flushed, and a little bit on the chin as well. And then going in with the highlighting shade from the palette, I'm just using that to really, really lightly re-emphasize the high points of my face, but I'm not applying a lot because I want that natural dewy look, not the highlighted look. Then taking Whirl by MAC, which is one of my all-time favorite lip pencils, I'm just going to use that to line my lips, bottom and top, and then I'm also going to use it to fill in the lips as well as a base. Then taking the Kylie Jenner Vacation Edition liquid lipstick in the color Naked, I'm going to be using that over top of the lip lined area to give the color that I want. And that is it. This is the boy beat look. I hope you guys liked it. It's a little bit different than Gina's. I did more of a dewy look rather than a full matte look, but I am in love with it. Remember to thumbs up this video if you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below and let me know if you guys would do the boy beat look. I love you guys so much. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
You're beautiful, beautiful. I just had to let you know.